Hi, everyone. Welcome to the channel, Living Wisdom and Dharma World. Today, let us explore the profound wisdom in the parable of the plants, also known as the parable of clouds and rain, which is found in the parable of the medicinal herbs chapter of the Lotus Sutra. This parable beautifully illustrates the universality of the Buddha's teachings and the potential for spiritual growth inherent in every being. The scene of the parable. Imagine a vast expanse of land, dotted with countless varieties of plants. Some are small, like delicate blades of grass or tiny medicinal herbs. Others are medium-sized shrubs, and still others are towering trees and expansive vines. Each plant differs in its nature, needs, and capacity to grow. Yet, when the rain falls from the sky, it does not discriminate. The clouds do not select where to release their life-giving water. The rain showers equally upon the entire landscape. This rain nourishes all the plants, enabling them to thrive and fulfill their unique roles. The small plants grow to their potential, healing minor ailments. The medium plants flourish, offering deeper remedies, and the large plants and trees expand magnificently, providing shelter, sustenance, and cures for complex diseases. The symbolism of the plants and rain. Each element in this parable carries profound meaning. The medicinal plants symbolize the capacities and inclinations of sentient beings. 1. Small plants represent humans and celestial beings, those who engage in good deeds and aspire for happiness but have not yet ventured deeply into the Dharma. 2. Medium plants represent the Shravakas and Pratyekabuddhas, those who seek personal liberation and are devoted to the practices of the two vehicles. 3. Large plants represent bodhisattvas who follow the Mahayana path, practicing the six perfections and dedicating themselves to the liberation of all beings. The rain symbolizes the Buddha's teachings, the Dharma. The clouds and rain do not discriminate, just as the Buddha's teachings are delivered to all beings, regardless of their individual circumstances, karmic hindrances, or spiritual capacities. This inclusiveness demonstrates the boundless compassion of the Buddha, who offers the Dharma to everyone without exception. The growth of the plants. When the rain of Dharma falls, it interacts uniquely with each plant. Small plants absorb just enough water to grow to their modest size. Medium plants draw in more, developing deeper roots and sturdier stems. Large plants take in the most, becoming majestic in their presence. Despite these differences, the rain is the same, and each plant fulfills its role in the ecosystem. Similarly, sentient beings respond to the Dharma according to their individual capacities. A beginner in the Dharma may take small steps, such as practicing generosity or mindfulness. A practitioner of the two vehicles may delve into profound meditative practices to attain liberation. A bodhisattva, inspired by the Mahayana path, absorbs the Dharma deeply and uses it to nurture countless others. The universal potential for growth. This parable reminds us of the universal potential for growth. No matter where we start, the Buddha's teachings provide the nourishment needed to progress. Just as every plant contributes to the ecosystem's health, every being has the capacity to enrich the world through their spiritual development. Moreover, the parable underscores that differences in spiritual capacity are temporary. A small plant today may become a mighty tree tomorrow with the continuous nourishment of the Dharma. The Buddha's teachings provide not only the foundation for immediate benefit, but also the means for ultimate enlightenment. The role of the Buddha as the supreme physician. In this parable, the Buddha is likened to a supreme physician who understands the unique ailments of each being. Just as a skilled doctor prescribes medicine suited to individual patients, the Buddha offers teachings tailored to the needs and readiness of sentient beings. For some, this may be the Four Noble Truths, addressing immediate suffering. For others, it might be the profound wisdom of emptiness and interdependence, opening the door to the Mahayana path. The Buddha's skillful means, upaya, ensure that no being is left out. Whether one starts as a small plant or a large one, the reign of Dharma meets them where they are, encouraging them to grow and flourish. Lessons for our practice. As we reflect on this parable, several key lessons emerge. 1. Embrace inclusivity. Just as the rain falls on all plants without bias, we should cultivate compassion and inclusivity in our interactions. Recognize that each person's journey is unique and respect their pace of growth. 2. Recognize your potential. Whether you see yourself as a small plant or a large tree, trust in your potential to grow. The Dharma is available to nourish you, regardless of your current circumstances. 3. Be a benefactor to others. As you grow in the Dharma, strive to be like the large plants that provide shelter and healing to others. Share your understanding and compassion to uplift those around you. 4. Trust in the Buddha's wisdom. The Buddha's teachings are vast and profound, capable of addressing the needs of all beings. Trust in the Dharma as your source of guidance and nourishment. Conclusion. The parable of the plants teaches us that the Buddha's compassion and wisdom are boundless, nourishing all beings regardless of their capacities. By embracing the Dharma, we can grow into our fullest potential, each contributing uniquely to the well-being of the whole. As we absorb the reign of Dharma, may we flourish as benefactors, healing ourselves and others, and ultimately realizing the supreme enlightenment offered by the Buddha. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.